lovely people, welcome to my channel. My name is Naturally the CA, and in today's video we are going to enlarge our breasts. Yes, to firm our breasts. If you're having a sagging breast after birth, or with obesity you have loose weight, I think this will help you firm your breast into a normal and a beautiful size. Yes, so we are going to need beta cola. As you can see, that's how it looks like, this beta cola, and only 2 ingredients, and shea butter. This is the original one. That's how it looks like. But before we get into the video, please, if this is your first time watching my video, don't forget to subscribe and share to your friends also to benefit. So I'm going ahead to grate my beta cola. Wow. It's not as easy as you can see. It's so simple to do. So I'm done with grating my beta cola. So I'm going ahead to smash this oil, or let's say the butter, into some fine paste. Yes. That is another way to enlarge your breast. This method, there is no side effect. So I'm done mashing my shea butter. So I'm going ahead to add it. That is the bitter cola that I grated, or the grated bitter cola. Then go ahead to mix them up. That's how it looks like. If you don't have fenugreek powder, as the other video, I'll leave the link down below if you have. But if you don't have fenugreek powder, that's also another way of firming your breast. So easy and so simple. So that's how it looks like. Alright guys, let me show you how you will apply it on your breast. Come in. So assuming this is your breast, you apply it around Please don't include the nipple. around and under it. Then you put on your bra. Don't forget that the bitter color in it will make it look like this, but please do well to wash your bra after every use. Alright, so please don't forget to subscribe and share to your friends to benefit. Thanks for watching.